Another awful day? Don't worry! Introducing the PETLIBRO Air Automatic Pet Feeder. The top lid release button keeps the kibble fresh and clean in the food tank. One button to open or lock. Even if it's knocked over, stay cool! No kibble is spilled. The control panel cover. Once locked, prevent your pet from changing controls, so never worry about a naughty paw. As always, the PETLIBRO secure rotor design for a seal in the food tank keeps pests out and keeps food fresh. Moreover, the battery power means no cable to bite. Look how reassuring it is! With PETLIBRO Air Automatic Pet Feeder, you can create a healthy diet for your pet. Ultimately, a happy and healthy lifestyle for pet fulfillment. Beside the couch, on the table, you can place it anywhere in your house. Nourish your pet the easy and healthy way.